back, friends, and if this is your first time here, hi, I'm Betty, and this is the Well-Rounded Workshop. Today, I have a very important announcement. Now, I don't want anyone panicking, starting rumors, or calling in the search parties, but there will be no Sunday video. Well, except for this one, which technically means there is a Sunday video. But this Sunday video is only here to tell you there won't be a Sunday video. Clear as mud? I even made a chart. So let me explain. This Sunday, this video. Next Sunday, no video. And the Sunday after that, still no video. See? Perfectly simple. Now the reason for all this confusion is that I'm moving my posting day to Wednesday evenings. Some people have a favorite season. Some people have a favorite holiday. Apparently, I have a favorite day of the week. That's right, Wednesday, my new favorite day of the week. Some people call it Wednesday, and some people call it hump day. And at my age, if I can get excited about a hump day once a week, well, I'm taking it. Now, before anyone gets too excited, we're not talking every Wednesday. We're talking every second Wednesday. I've even circled the dates on the calendar. June 17th and July the 1st. So those are our two first dates. June 17 will be a Father's Day project, and July 1st is landing just in time for a Canada Day project. You see, I've got this all planned out, which is unusual enough that I thought it deserved its own announcement video. So starting June 17th and throughout the summer, you're going to find new videos every second Wednesday. Because if you've got to get through hump day, you might as well have something to look forward to when you get there. And I figured a little midweek video might be a nice little break between mowing lawns, pulling weeds, tackling projects, and wondering why the garden seems to grow better when nobody's watching. So again, no video this Sunday, other than this one, and after today, I'll see you on June 17th. Same Betty, same workshop, different day. And if you're new here and every second week doesn't seem like enough Betty for you, well, don't worry. I've got quite a collection of videos for you to catch up on. And a few of my favorites are the faux whiskey barrel shelf, the candy machine, aka the motivation station, the rustic fish art, and my drilling versus screwing tooltip video. Who am I kidding? I love them all. So go back, have a look around, and I'll see you on June 17th, right here on Hump Day. Bye for now.